Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to connect Zoom to Calendly for auto links. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to connect your Zoom to Calendly for auto links, all you can do is simply log in into your Calendly account. Once you're in your Calendly account, you need to simply integrate your page by clicking on the integrations link or button. Typically, this is found on the top right navigation bar or like the settings menu. Once you are here, you need to simply find Zoom as your integration channel. So once you have simply gone to Zoom and added in your integration channel, you will be redirected to your Zoom's website. Once you're in your Zoom's website, all you gotta do is simply sign in into your Zoom account if prompted, and you will be assigned to authorize the connection to grant Calendly the necessary permission. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.